All right, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, Becca. Good morning, Brad. Good morning, Marty. Good morning, Safe. Sam, good morning. It's a lively one already. All right, guys, let's take a quick look here at what the market is doing and how it's doing it. And due to the volatility that we've been experiencing, we definitely want to give the market a little bit of time to see what the patterns are and get a deeper read on this market before we start putting on any trades today. What we're seeing so far, market is out of sync at the open in 2 minutes, unless we break anything above 365. Good morning, David. The market is in between harmony zone number 1 and 2, which is the neutral zone. And so far, we're dealing with a market that is out of sync. It's a two-sided market. We're going to see how we're going to shape up. If we break anything above 65, then the market is going to be in sync on the long side, and the big target of 402 can show up. And if we end up migrating toward 302, then the whole structure is going to reverse and start breaking 300 into 250 into lower prices. Anything in between at the open in 1 minute, it's not a bad choice to kind of kick back and let the market sort itself out. Stay disciplined, stay focused. Let's make some money. As far as news cycle, we don't see anything that would be big economic or has a big economic impact. All right, cash market opened. Okay, so so questions: speed, range, and behavior. Speed is fast, range is contracting, and behavior is consolidation with a short bias. And now the market is in sync on the short side. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis with a target of 277. Breaking 300 into lower prices, and price structure migrating to 277 as the target. 277 coming up. Boom. And there it is. Now, next one is 252. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis with that target in mind. ES has a target of 57.99. 57.99. And the market very quickly disconnected. See, with that run, it's a short covering run. And they're disconnected the market. However, our target is 252. Too fast to even read it? Yeah, it's just, it is fast. It is fast. But if they are fast, we can be faster. That's what I think. So we tested harmony zone number 2 first touch bases and came back in, and now made a lower high and another lower high. Just trying to get short here. I don't know if it's still a good idea or not, but we'll see. That's some crazy stuff. Damn. It's quick. That's quick. All right, so what's the market doing here? Flipped into target 402. See if we can get anything else going on here. It's like drinking from a fire hose. Market's quick. I'll take that one. I got long twice here. I mean, that's what the market's telling me. It's 200 and 100 are in sync. But good Lord, I'm telling you, just like you get into a position and you close your eyes and you see if you you made it or not. I know, Marty. That's it's just be extremely careful. Like you have to undertrade this market and undersize it, just due to the way it's moving. Good morning, Sheila. What's going on here? Like I think there's a little bit of delay in my orders. Wow. Okay. 365, 255. Where are we at? I mean, okay, I think I lost money on that one. Jesus Christ. Look at that. Yeah, that's just wild. Okay, so a 200 NT wrinkle reversal. Here we go. Here you go. Here you go. That short worked. Man, I needed that one, I tell you that much. Ah. And I was sized up. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. But it will end up working. I mean, it didn't. It wasn't pretty. I tell you that much. I mean, I was down 1,000, came back to break even plus money. Then I got slammed all around for 17. Then that last trade made me a bunch of money into 2,600. Hold on. There's a potential captain set up now. I mean, they're not doing it anyway. It is 8:42, and it's not even like 15 minutes into the market. But that's good. I mean, markets like that, it, it, like undersized, like if you're even like, let's assume you're doing one mini, cut it down to thirds, like 3 micros, and add in a range. It's the same amount of risk per trade, same size, but it's just going to give you so much flexibility in a market that's acting like this. Like if you're trying to keep your risk control to 10 points with one mini, this market is not going to work out for you. Okay. Somebody said something. Is he? I was about to say. Somebody's saying something. Man, last administration, that's exactly how it used to be. And we got used to the volatility and the craziness and all that stuff. We got used to it. So it gets a little bit of time to get used to it, but you cannot be full boat in one spot. You just had to kind of average in a range. Let's see what they want to do. Wow. It's such a fast one. So we were at the low around that 300, and you're seeing the market kind of pushing a little bit. We're trading between harmony zone number 1 and 2, and that's just the neutral behavior of consolidation. So if you see them running the stops to the upside, you could fade into that or run the stops under. You could fade to it, but I'd rather fade them running up than trying to fade them coming down because the overall structure is still short. Now here, since they flipped that one, okay. I mean, they hit 2 targets in like 2 seconds, but that's fine. There's a big target at 402. That's fine. I mean, let them do what they want to do. It's 15 minutes into the market open. We can tame this beast. Thank you. I'll take it. Adds about a grand almost to my total. Let's keep going. Yeah, it is crazy, but there's a lot of opportunities here. You have to be able to take the risk. Market is out of sync. Pullbacks are viable on a swing trade basis. Captain set up long on the 50 NT Rinco. There's a swing trade target of 402, and we're gonna get there in like 2 seconds. Boom, hit it. Next target 427. Blink and it's there. Screwed up. Damn it. Oh, wow. That is nasty. Did I just give up the whole day? Yeah, pretty much. Okay. All right, let's keep working. Let's keep working. Let's keep working. Did I just give up my whole day? All right, let's keep working. We'll get there. I mean, this is a $10,000 day. And I have to be able to take on risk and swings if I want to play it. Or I could just say, hey, listen, I'm up 500 and let's call it a day. You know, it's just one of those things. What do you want to do? Okay, the market sells off into 277. All right, now, I mean, we're at the lows of the day. We're at T5 right now. We got 9 minutes to the top of the hour. Sure. Yeah, I gotta leave this market alone for a little bit. Yeah, we're not connecting well with it. It's like yesterday, we're up big money and then give it all back up. Just the volatility of it all. Let's see here. Where we at? That's not bad. trading in and around a 300, and they're pushing lower. Okay, market is in sync on the short side. So why am I getting long anyway? Need to be short across the board. So I'm gonna constantly look for that short till proven otherwise. Okay. We got 5 minutes to the top of the hour. God dang it. All right. Okay. Market is actually in sync on the short side. All right, let's try the shorts again. Let's stick to the direction of the 200 here. My orders are very slow too. All right, let's see if we can get, here we go. Gonna flatten this trade. And I'm gonna go long. This is a captain setup long on the 70 NT Rinko. I'm gonna see if I can. What is going on here? Yeah, here it comes. Go, 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 go. No, go, go, go. Here goes. I don't know what happened there. Why did it just do all this? Okay. 6 prong captain set up short. I mean, it just, wow. How can you trade this market? All right, let's keep working. What's the big idea here? The market is short. Just stay with that. The market is short. 200 and 100 are short. There was a captain set up on the 70 NT Rinko, and you know I played that right there, and I actually ended up flattening that trade up. Thank you. I needed that one, man. I needed that one. I needed that one. Man, I'll get myself up to 2 grand, and I'm gonna just sit back. I can get it. I can get myself to 2 grand, no problem here. You just need to be a little bit patient. Thank you. I think I'm there. Yeah, and one more trade, and I'll be there. Okay, let's try that one again. Let's see. Market is out of sync. I mean, what happened? What happens if we break 15? That's a captain set up short on the 200. There's a captain set up short on the 70. Here comes. Fill that one. Fill that one. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That's the 70 NT Rinko captain set up short. We have a 100 NT Rinko captain set up short. The market is in sync. All shorts. Look at that bad boy. I think I'm up a little bit of money. We're back up to 3,200. It wasn't without pain. I mean, look at that. Getting slammed here. I was up 3,400. Give it back in like 2 trades or something like that. Crawled out of it into 3,200. Let's go for 5 grand. Let's go for 5 grand. We can make it happen. Thank you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm overfilling here. I'm overfilling. Let me get out of that one. But that was a good trade. That was a good trade. Let me show you what happened. Holy crap. There was a double captain setup on the 70 NT Rinko. So that's why I was trying to load up on that trade. So here you go. Yeah. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Captain set up switch trade on the 70 NT Rinko. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis. The market is in sync. Target is 177. Hyper focus. Hyper focus. I'll take that one. Let's keep working. All right, I'll take that one. That's a short, railroad short. Yeah, I'm not sticking around too long now. Just in case they flip back the market. I think I need to do something different. Right here, if they, yeah, they're gonna go higher here for a little bit. Jesus Christ, it's so fast. Like I'm up money on this trade. I needed to take it, but it just, I don't know if I made any money off of it though. Let's see here. Look how fast this thing is. Oh yeah, I made 40 bucks. Okay, 80 bucks actually. Okay, whatever. All right. Gave you a lot more. Let's keep working. Let's keep working. Let's keep working. Hitting harmony zone number 2, coming back to retest. The overall structure of the market is short. However, there's a pocket of buying interest, and also the market is out of sync. Adam, this is like a 10 grand day, buddy. It's a 10 grand day, man. It just, you can have like undersize, do the range, and catch them. Catch them a couple of times, man. They're gonna pop you up. So let's do it. Look for the stop runs too. Okay. Back to that whole number, 200. I'll take it. That's a trigger trade, short, Harmony System, in and out. We're 6 grand up. Let's keep on working. This is a 10 grand day, and I'll get there. 6 prong captain set up short. I need it to be in this trade too. Man, that's easy money right there. Good for you, Safe. Like I was looking around and I saw it and it's already dipped like 2, 3 candles in the direction. I was like, man, I don't know if I can get in that one at this level. Let it go. It's a wild man market, that's for sure. What? So we got Marty that got in, Safe that got in, Becca that got in, and I'm just sitting here looking at the damn thing. That's all right. Let's keep working. Oh yeah, Sam. It's dumping. What is Trump saying? Because I can't watch him or watch talks while I'm trading. Here we go, Sam. Good job. Excellent, buddy. Up 1600. Yeah, that's a big deal, man. Good job. Okay, what time is it? 9:17. I'm just gonna step away for 2 minutes, freshen up my mind, and I'll be back. All right, guys, let's see what happened. What happened here? Wow. Did it dump? Even more. Big picture, right? Let's see what this is all about. All right. Market is out of sync, right? That's what the market is doing right now. It's out of sync. There's pressure. Two-sided market. They're trying to stabilize the prices here. You know, the longs are coming in, but they're just getting slammed every time they come in there. Let's look at how they handle the stops. I mean, they take the stops out there above 30, come back and retest. That could be a stability price structure. You break anything above, 40 would be a big deal. Wow. No. Okay, so what are they doing here? Let me see here. Yeah. I think they're trying to stabilize the prices. It's two-sided. Most likely we're going to flip it. The market's going to flip to 152. It's just giving that impression here. And here they come. Yeah. Let's see. All right, let's see what we're gonna do here. I'm just gonna keep it one contract. Thank you. It's $300. I'll take it. Yeah, that one was a little bit too obvious, but all right. So let's see how the pullback holds up here. Two contracts. Let's see. Next target is 202. Take that one. That's such a wild market. Market's out of sync. I get it, but there's a pocket of buyers that are a bit persistent. I'll take that one. That's fine. I don't have to make every bit of money in every trade, but they will add up. So made a little bit of money here, a little bit of money here. Not sticking around for too long. Let's try it again. They're gonna probably try to go to like 94 and out. Thank you. I'll take it. And it's gonna go further. That's fine. I don't have to get in there. It's 200 bucks. There was 185 before that. A couple of $100. I mean, every single trade. Boom, boom, boom. Almost 7 grand. Let's go. You got it, Sam. You got it, buddy. Let's go. It's not close. You're there. Mentally, you're there. So just finish it off. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That was a nice one. I think like a $400 trade right there. Boom. Yes. Here we go. 7,400. I'm close. I'm not close. I'm gonna get there. Okay. I think I came ahead on that little debacle, but we'll see. I don't know what I did here. I was 7,400, 7,400, yeah. Flatten the trade, basically. Let's see. There's more. Let's get involved. Here we go. Just one contract. That's no good. Okay, I'm going to get out of this trade, take a stop. So market is in sync, but you have a captain set up short on the 70 NT Rinko that's just putting a bit of sell structure. I mean, like that trade worked if I just patient a little bit, but I don't like to go against that 70 NT Rinko and potentially a switch trade right here. So if we close 94, I'm gonna get a little bit aggressive. 94, 94. Here we go. Okay, that's good. That's good. Let's get a pop. Thank you, and thank you. I'll take that all day, every day. Almost 8. Let's go, baby. I was a captain set up switch trade, so I mean, I had to kind of get a little bit more aggressive and should have even gotten a lot more than what I got. So the market is out of sync here. So there's a lot of distribution. If you're looking at the 100, you see the high and the lower high with the switch trade. So that high, the second lower high, which is 227, that's going to be the pivot point. The longs have to take out in order for the market to resume its long bias. And if we don't do that, then this market is going to turn over and go back down to 152. So you got to get to that 227. I mean, here we go. They're doing it. They're trying at least. Here you go. Okay. I mean, that's a big deal. Wow. Okay. You got there, and then they flip it back. Okay, that's fine. I mean, it's that kind of market we're dealing with. These pullbacks are ruthless. Market is out of sync again. Okay, here we go. All right, I'll take it. I'll take those two. Here we go. I was a railroad short on the 20 NT Rinko, and I took it. Let's keep working. Market is in sync on the long side, and we are targeting 252. I mean, I took a bunch of shorts here, but in very specific spots. All right, so here we go, here we go. Let's go, let's go. Boom. Going, going, gone. Did we hit the target? Yeah, we did. Next target is 277. 277. Wow. I don't know what happened here, but we'll see. It's basically a flat trade. Yeah. Damn, look at that. Now it's going to run like a crazy. I mean, I got long, covered, got long, covered here, and this thing just shoots up. That's fine. I mean, no harm, no foul done on that trade, really. Maybe lost 80 bucks or something. That's fine. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna take that one here. Okay, took small profit on that one. Let's keep working. There's a captain set up short on the 40 in Tirinko, so we just need to be careful here. It is brutal. Let's go though. We got this. They're putting a captain setup short right at the closure of that reversal at 252. So that's a problem for the longs. I'm out. Take a stop here. Gotta take a stop. Take a stop. All right. Okay. So what's happening here? Well, 200 and 100 out of sync. The 200 is a negative one, but it's just the fact that we got to this level is a concern for the longs. They're testing harmony zone number 1, bouncing between 1 and 2. Probably needed to be a little bit more patient with that trade. Now the market is in sync on the short side. Okay, I get it. Now we got to play the short game again. Yeah. 152 target. All right, I'll take that trade and see if I can get back in. Okay. Shorts, shorts, shorts. Get short, short, cover, cover. Short here, cover. What did we do here? Yeah, we went long and we were long here, made money. Okay. Congrats, 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 Sam. Good job, buddy, for passing your evaluation. That's a big accomplishment. And you haven't been here too long. All right. Quick study. And off we go. Our target is 152. Yeah, it's bad news. Okay. Gonna get out of this trade right before it works. Okay. Yeah, sure. That's fine. Right, that's fine. I mean, the pressure in this market, like I'm almost have to kind of look for a stop run, and then just fade it, like a stop run. Like they take out the 190s, get to the 200s, and stop. I'll get short there. Yeah, the market is in sync on the short side. So I should be looking for the short side, but we're getting some buyers that buying every single dip here. They're taking out the stops and just rolling it back over. So I'm looking for a bit more of a stop run Let them shake some of these shorts out, and then I'll jump in. I mean, that's a stop run right here. It's happening. Here it comes. So there's the 90s. Okay. Okay, that's a stop run. Flatted that trade. Yeah, flatted that trade. Just to see, like the way it ran. I mean, the way it ran, it was just like I was like, okay. I mean, now it's working, obviously, but okay. Let's try this again here. Okay. Damn it. I don't like it. Okay, so I'm not connecting with this little zone here. Fuck. I mean, you know, it's a captain setup, but I'm going against that cloud. I mean, look at it now. It's working. It's working big, actually. So there's a little bit of patient issue here that I gotta kind of work through. Gotta work through that patience. We're gonna have to jump in again here. Yeah, let's see if I can get in and stay in. Okay, here we go. Boom. Go, 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 go. 70s, 60s. I mean, I get 60s. I'll take it. I'll take it. Our target is 152. Look at that bad boy. So we hit our target. Next target is 127. 127. But they're gonna counter trend here and run stops, and they are doing it to the tick, to that 90s and the 200s. Let's see how far they want to go with it. Market is out of sync. 227 is an area that the shorts need to protect. Market struggling again. All right, it's just like a small itty bitty profit. It's just like it should be it should be breaking like right here, but it's not. So, and maybe I'm too used to faster moves, but you know, whatever. If I get a profit, I'll take it. Especially in a market that is very whippy like this. But the market is in sync. It's in sync on the short side. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis with a target of 127. I mean, look at it. It just went to target number 2. I'll take it. That's a railroad short on the Harmony system. A basic signal. Off we go. Well, we're close to equity high, 8,900. Couple of good trades. I'll get to my 10 grand. And it's going to happen. Oh, look at that. Woo! And target hit. 102, next target. 102, next target. That would have been it. That would have been the one. Hey, Steven. How are you, bud? Thank you. That's a nice one. You know why? I mean, I should have been very verbal with it. Be honest with you. Look at that. Captain set up long when the 50 NT wrinkle. Like, what? Automatic. Stop is at the bottom end of that trade. It's a harmony signal at 31, and run it into harmony zone for a target. So that's, I don't know how much money that was, but I think that gets me closer to my target right there. Yeah, it's about 500 bucks for that trade. Over 500 on one contract. That's good. Let's go, baby. So the market reversed here, the 200 and the 100, and that kind of puts us in a position where it's a, let's pull it up here so you guys could see it. What does that mean? I mean, that means that the market is kind of bottoming down, and we're going to jump up to 227, and once we get there, we're going to kind of test that high and see how well we handle it. So pullbacks are buyable, but you know, I wouldn't necessarily oversize up that type of behavior because the shorts could come back in hard. So I mean, here we go. I mean, that's, as we speak, we're about to hit that target. Target is about to get hit, and come on. Oof. Yeah, they're about to hit it. Here we go. Target is hit. Next target is 252. 252. Man, that entry looks like a long time ago, but it just happened. And look how far the price, and all of it off that 50 NT Rinko Captain setup. So that harmony signal really performed. Okay, there's a Captain setup switch trade on the 30 NT Rinko. I don't know if anybody saw that one. I was looking for safe. Where's safe? Okay. I get it. Now the market is out of sync. I was trying to go short up there, but no luck on the fill. Canceling that order. Let's see what happens here. If they do a switch, yeah, it's gonna probably work. I'll take a small profit. Yes, yes, yes. Take a small profit on that one. I think 150 bucks. Okay, that's fine. Let's try it again here in a minute. I mean, the market is out of sync. I get it. They're walking it down. I get that part too. Now it's going to run. Of course. That's a choppy. This is, I mean, they're trading in the middle of the range here between harmony zone number 1 and 2, which is the neutral zone. Now they're building a captain setup short. Okay. Like, I don't want to overcommit here. I mean, if they run the stops and they show us that they're buying it, I'll give it a shot. Damn it. I gotta take it because the way I entered that trade was not the right way. Because, I mean, that's a captain setup switch trade, so I needed to be in there a little bit earlier. But the market is so damn fast. 74 is where I needed to get in. But nonetheless, I made a little bit of money off of this trade. 60 bucks, I'll take it. All right, let's see what else we're gonna do here. So stop run, and they buy it and they run it fast. Okay. And now they're coming into the same level, putting a captain setup long and going to the middle of the range. So what is that telling me? So far, they're trying to make, they're buying the stop runs. Where do we know that the gig is over? Is if you go under 152. Another stop run. Oh. All right, flatted that trade because the market just shifted with that push into the 200 being in sync with the 100 on the short side. So I took the stop run. It's a little bit of an aggressive move. I get it, but I'm not gonna stick around for too long if the reason for me getting in is no longer valid. So I'll take that. I think I made, I don't know, like a point or two. I don't know. Yeah. I always could try. Yeah, I mean, why? Yeah, that was a little bit too aggressive, to be honest with you. Okay, so let's see. Okay. Run it up. Let them run it up a little bit. You have a stop run above 166 if they want to do that. Hmm. Flatted that trade. Fuck. Look at it. Just like the captain setup. I mean, I get it. I mean, they're just trying to, you know, put a range, trade above it or below it, shake people out. They did not shake me on this trade. But I mean, at the same time, like, I don't want to. Yeah, like this. Look at that crap. Yeah, basically lost $9, made 15. I'm up like 4, whatever, $6 off of this trade. But let's just keep working. It's just one patient trade, and we'll be where we need to be. Nope. No fill on that one. Captain set up short on the 30 NT Rinko. Yep. Look at that. I was trying to get in. Come on. No fill on that one. Uh-oh. Who said something? Somebody said something. Again. So where's everybody at right now? Yeah, across the board. Adam, Becca, Brad, Sheila. How are you handling this mess here? Marty, Sam, Steven, David, liquidity. Where's everybody at? Market is out of sync. I mean, that just happened so damn quick. Oof. All right, so let's see. Hey, Adam, no big deal, man. And this is the kind of days where just as long as you just keep your composure. Okay, here you go. 82. If we get back to 82, 82, 83. Damn it. Here we go. Here we go, baby. Let's go. Damn it. Oof. Oh, it's tense. I don't know why it's tense with one contract, but it's tense. All right, let's see. Well, that was all my money right there that I wanted to make right there. Here we go. Market is in sync on the long side. Pullbacks are viable on swing trade basis again, and then we have a target of 227. Let's see if we can get a pullback. A nervous trader. Yeah, maybe. Well, this kind of market makes you a little bit nervous, but it's all right. Being nervous makes you careful, and being careful is a good thing. Here comes the junk. Let me see what they want to do here. I mean, they want to. All right, so here we go again. What are they trying to do? Okay. So what time is it? Oh, it's 10:30. 10:35. All right. Okay. What does this looks like? Looks like they're trying to test harmony zone number one, but there are sellers in this environment. They ran the stops right under this captain setup, and they're trying to buy it back up. You have a whole number 200 that it's just holding up. Hold on a second. I'm kicking things around. Okay. Now I'm expecting a push toward 90. 90. Thank you. All day, every day, baby. Let's go. And, ladies and gentlemen, we made it. I made it. We said it's a $10,000 day, and it's a $10,000 day. That's what's up. And you know what? I better fucking walk away. I better be satisfied with that and just walk away. Because you start thinking, okay, well, I mean, I made it to 10 grand grinding. Let's make it to 20. Personally, I feel I can make it to 20, but at the same time, my focus now, even the language I'm using is, it's money. Let's make 10. Let's make 20. I should be focused on the process. there are a lot of money in this market. Like, I understand it. I understand the volatility of it. I understand if I get in trouble what I need to do. I understand it. But take a blessing of a day and call it a big win and celebrate it. Apex. No, David, and just ain't right. So this is my personal account. So that 10 grand in my personal account, and I copied into some of my Apex accounts. I have 20 of them, and I didn't copy one to one. So I copied micro into them. And once I got to where some of the accounts are like hit their profit target, I went to the second set of accounts because 10 grand if you make it in, I have a lot of the $50,000 accounts, and if it just it's too much money for that account to be made in one day. Yeah, I mean, I'm all smiles here, buddy. All right, so what's the next target here? 252. If you're looking at, let's see here. If you're looking at ES, you could see that the market right there made a captain setup long on the 50 NT Rinko. So that is a big signal for a reversal in the whole market. And as long as we don't go back down to 50, this market should go to as a reversion to the mean type of behavior that could take us to 5,800, which is going to really support Nasdaq behavior and keep pushing the market higher and higher. So ES is bottoming down right now. And they produced a harmony signal, captain set up long on the big chart. It was a battle. I mean, it was a battle for sure. I mean, let's just go back here and take a quick look. Was that the beginning? Yeah, I mean, the first couple of trades, I'm like, you're down a grand, 1,100. Then you come back. Then, boom, you step in it, and you're down 1,700. I was like, okay, here we go. And then we have a couple of good trades, and I'm up 23 grand. Then I have this one nasty ass trade long, and I gave up the 3 grand. I'm up 500. Then I lose more. I'm down 800. Back and forth, back and forth. Then I just get it. I understood the market at that point. So it took me like a couple of rounds of making the money and losing it, making the money and losing it, to just get a sense of what they are doing, how they're doing it, to what extent they're doing it. Speed, range, and behavior. I mean, those are important factors. Then it kept growing and growing. Every single trade growing. Here you go, grew. I mean, just making it 5 grand, and it just kept growing. And I haven't taken any, like, look at him, just one trade after the other. Like, yeah, here I took a stop, no big deal, but just got it back. I took a small stop and got it back. Took a couple of stops here, then got it all back. Then a couple of small stops, then I get it back. And I understood this all the way to the finale. So speed, range, and behavior. I mean, we could say the speed, moderate to fast. range is expanding, and behavior right now is long, but we're coming, to the middle of the range on the 200 NT Rinko. So what does that mean? That means that the market, it's prone to consolidation here and noise in signals, because it's a reversion to the mean. You start breaking above 300, then that's just there'll be a lot more strength to the moves. Like, see this, like right now, see how the market just literally dumped. That's kind of what you're gonna see here. A lot of this back and forth and stop runs. So if you try to go in the middle of the range and actually trade a trade continuation signal, you'll find yourself getting chopped up a lot more often. If you look for stop runs and go in the direction of the 200, above average success rate. Really? That's interesting. That's interesting here. Wow. And look what they just did here. They put on a 70 NT Rinko captain setup short, just rolled it over very quickly. That's a very bullish behavior. And now you go off to 300. Wow. Absolutely, Sam. We're good for it. Yeah, I mean, you want to be in the direction of the bigger. I mean, you have too many things going on here, but I mean, okay. So we talked about ES and the captain setup long that the market produced, which is going to lead to a push toward 5,800, which will support the price behavior in Nasdaq. That's the first thing. Then the second thing, then you come in here and you look at this. That's a trend, and the trend is negative, right? It's obvious. But at the same time, you have stop runs right above 252, right? And you are in the middle of the range still. So that will lead to stop runs. Okay? So I'm going to go in the direction of Nasdaq, the direction of ES. And I understand that I'm counter trending the big move in Nasdaq, but there's enough here to where it would support a push to the 300, which we just hit. Okay? Because the ES is supporting me, the stop run is supporting me. That's kind of how I'm thinking about it. So if I'm gonna take a trade in this area, it's gonna be a stop run in the direction of the 200 NT. We're about to hit our target here of 327. Target is hit. Next target is 352. Next target is 352. Okay. Wow. A railroad short right there. Let's see. All right, guys. So it's 11 o'clock. I'm going to call it a day. I'm going to call it a good day. And do this again tomorrow. It was a lot of action. And I think you're going to get four years of this kind of action. It's going to be a good one. Because this market and was very, very sensitive and very volatile, and it was definitely watching DC and when Trump talks, the market just goes crazy, both sides. And that really, for traders that do what we do, that's literally doesn't get any better than that. So we need to get used to the volatility and the swings the market makes and how to handle them in a way to where we're on the right side of it, making the money. Because there's plenty of it right now. Plenty. Okay, so you guys have a blessed one. Bright and early tomorrow. We'll do it again.